So why did you want to start your Instagram page? Is for make money or is for just for fun? So this is really important. You need to have a clear reason that why you want to start your Instagram page. Otherwise, you will just easy to give up. So this is really important. Before you start, you need to have a reason. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you my stories that I built up my pages. The first page, Basketball 545, and the second page, Join Successful. The reason that behind these two pages, why I built up these two pages. Okay, so first, when I start these two pages, I'm also the same as you. I want to make money online. I went out to YouTube, I searched a lot of videos, how to make money on Instagram, how to post content, how to do everything. So I start posting like crazy. I start posting 10 times per day. And yes, I have two pages, so that means I post 20 times per day. Why do I post a lot on Instagram? Because when every post that you post on Instagram, it's a lottery ticket. So if you post 10 times, and that means you have 10 lottery tickets, and maybe one of your content will go viral and will generate you thousands and thousands of followers. So this is why I post like crazy. But after nearly a year, so I start these two pages on April 2021, and at the end of last year, I quit. Yes, I quit on this Instagram building. Why? Because the only reason that I start these two pages is to make money. And you can see from April to the end of 2021, almost a year, I didn't make any big money. I didn't make any money that is over $100. So the reason that I'm building up these two pages is to make money. And almost a year I didn't make big money. So this is the reason that I give up on these two pages. So then what did I do? I went up to YouTube. I searched for all these different kind of make money online. And what's the result? I found a lot of short-term making money. And a lot of them are all scam. You don't make any money. And quickly I found out that a lot of the method that on this YouTube that you need to buy advertising on Facebook, Google, or Microsoft Ad. You need to drive traffic to your product so you can make money. And this is pretty hard because these advertising are really expensive. You can easily to end up losing a lot of money. So I start thinking about these short-term making money are all scam, or maybe it's not all scam because all the video that I find, all the method that I find, I didn't make a lot of money. So I really think about it's maybe these are all scam, or maybe I'm not good enough to make money. So I start thinking about all these are short-term making money. Maybe I need is a long-term money. So I need to use free traffic because when you are making money on the internet, you will know traffic is equal to money. If you want to sell anything, you will need traffic. So I start thinking about how do I get all these free traffic. So I start thinking back to Instagram. Instagram followers are the traffic source that I can get for free. So I start thinking about maybe I can have a second reason to build up these two pages. So for the Basketball 545, I was thinking about why I start these pages instead of making money. I can do is why did I choose on this niche is because I love to watch these NBA players, these amazing move, these amazing basketball move. So I can have fun, I can have entertainment on these pages. So even the first reason that make money, I didn't make any money, I can still have the second reason to support myself to keep posting content on this page. So later down the line, I can feel more fun, I can have entertainment. So this is the second reason for building up this page. So with the Join Successful this business page, the first reason is also making money. And the second reason now that I can have is to motivate myself. To keep watching these videos, these quotes, to telling myself never give up. So I can never give up and posting content on these 2 pages so I can be successful. So this is the reason that I'm posting content on these 2 pages. So the Basketball 545, I can have fun, I can see all these amazing players, and the Join Successful Business page, I can motivate myself. So now with these 2 pages, I have 2 different reasons. I can have the make money reason and also the second reason. So even the first reason doesn't work, I can still have the second reason to keep working on myself, that I don't give up on building these Instagram stories. So this is the reason that keep promoting myself to keep posting content on these 2 pages, and I think this is really important. Before you start your Instagram page, you need to have the correct mindset so you won't just easy to give up. So if you only have the reason to make money on Instagram, this is the only reason that you build up your Instagram page, and I think this is not good enough. You will need a second reason. Your second reason will promote you if the first reason doesn't work. So I think this is really important. So now I want to know that your reason why you want to start your Instagram page, your first reason, your second reason, or maybe you only have 1 reason, and leave down the comment section. I would love to see all your reason and I will reply to each and every one. So this is my story that I start building these 2 pages, and hope my story will inspire you and you can also be successful on Instagram so we can have a big family. So I'm Johnson Leung. If you love today's video, you got value out of this video, then give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so later on down the line when I'm posting new video, you will get a notification. Okay, so motivate yourself and never give up. I'm Johnson Leung. I will see you in the next video.